In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically translate Slack messages. We'll start right from your browser. Open a new tab, head to your favorite search engine, and search for Slack. Click through to the official Slack website so you're working inside your workspace. If you already have Slack open, that's perfect. You're ready for the next part. Before translating messages, you'll add a translation integration so Slack can handle the language work for you. Open any channel where you want to use translations. At the top right of that channel, click the three dots to open the channel menu, then choose Edit Settings. This is where Slack keeps channel-specific controls and tools. In the Settings window, switch to the Integrations section. Here, click Add an app to open Slack's app directory for your workspace. The app directory is where you can connect trusted tools that extend Slack's capabilities. In the search bar, type Translate. From the results, select a translation app labeled Translate. Click to install it to your Slack workspace and follow the prompts. If you see a request for permissions, that's normal. Translation apps need access to read and post messages as part of their job. If your workspace restricts app installs, you may need an admin to approve it. Once the app is installed, return to your channel. In the message box, type /translate. You'll see a shortcut appear. Click Translate Text. This opens a simple form that guides you through the translation. First, choose the language you want to translate into from the drop-down. Then, in the text field, enter the message you want translated. Keep it clear and concise for the best result. When you're ready, click Translate. The app will process your text and prepare the translated version. Next, choose where you want to share the translated message. Select the channel or conversation where it should appear. This can be the current channel or a different one where your audience needs it. Finally, click Post this. Your translated message will be posted to the destination you selected, making it easy for teammates to read in their preferred language right inside Slack. A few quick tips as you use this workflow. You can open any channel or direct message and repeat the same steps. If the shortcut doesn't appear after typing, translate, double-check that the app was installed to your workspace. And if your team communicates in multiple languages, you can run the command again to post versions in other languages. That's it. Your Slack workspace can now handle translations smoothly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and happy translating!